This is my new bike check. How you doing? And pretty much completely different from when you seen it. How you doing? I got a black eye killorado frame that I painted. Painted pink. How you doing? And start at the front. I got Aaron Ross tires, 2.35, with the Alienation Deviant rim with the Primo spokes and the Shadow Raptor hub. And I got the Shadow sticker sleeves on the Shadow little ones. They slide really good. How you doing? And then I got the Odyssey Directors in black. They didn't have watermelon when I tried to order them. And then I got the Penguin. It's Penguin, too hot for a penguin. And then I got the Shadow Strike stem, the Aaron Ross space bars, Odyssey lever, Aaron Ross grips, Fly, how you doing, bar ends, Shadow linear cable, and then we got Odyssey integrated headset, how you doing, and then back here I got the Demolition Vulcan brakes, the KHE half link, and the Odyssey MDS with the Fly cranks with some Albi stickers. I didn't want to paint them. I get the Eclat pedals. How you doing? And then I got the Shadow seat. It's really comfortable. I like my seats fat. It's like my women. With the integrated seat clamp and yeah, it's the stolen Thermalite. How you doing? Same back tire as the front. We got the Alienation free coaster. Same pegs. Got 4 pegs. Got the McNeil valve caps. How you doing? Fly brake pads, clear. Stick hell of a lot better. I'm pretty sure that's it. A whole bunch of stickers. I got Dance Comp, Shadow, Mankind. All in all, without pegs it weighed 21. With pegs, probably about 24. It's really light. How you doing? And some bike check. How you doing?